another beautiful day. I think I'll see what Mom and Dad are doing. Ugh, I'm so tired. I need energy. Hello?
Good day to you, sir. I am from Petrovich Chemicals, and I'm here to offer you a one-time opportunity. Do you feel tired right before you go to sleep?
Oh yes, I think everyone does.
Are you overly aware of the presence of your skin?
I think so.
Do you go to the bathroom on a daily basis?
Yes.
Then you need bear hormones.
Bear hormones.
You ever heard of a bear complaining about not having enough energy?
Well, bears can't even...
It's all the bear hormones.
Bear hormone?
Bear hormones.
You look tired. You should try some. Here, have some bear hormones.
If you insist.
Stop! That's pseudoscience!
Whoa, 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 whoa.
What in the world is pseudoscience?
Pseudoscience is a methodology, belief, or practice that is claimed to be scientific or that is made to appear to be scientific, which does not adhere to an appropriate scientific methodology, lacks supporting evidence or plausibility, or otherwise lacks scientific status.
But it's all natural.
So is feces, but you don't need that, do you? You need scientific evidence to support that claim. You should have a cantaloupe. It's full of energy and nutrients.
Why, thanks. I think I will. Mom, Dad, Belgian Waffle Wednesday. There's no maple syrup, so help me God. Where'd they go? Hello? Oh no! They have to be somewhere. Where are they? A visitor?
Good morning. But where are your parents?
I don't know. Where could they be?
Here, son, I'll show you.
But how?
With the power of the scientific method.
Scientific what's it?
The scientific method. I won't tell you, I'll show you to the internet. Now that you're at your computer, I'll give you some time to familiarize yourself with the internet.
I hope this is educational. Ah!
Now that you've thoroughly explored all the depths of the internet, you can now go to Wikipedia to find the definition of the scientific method.
What's Wikipedia?
It's a wonderful online encyclopedia.
Oh, okay.
Before we get started, let me explain a couple of things. First, a law. This is a statement of fact meant to describe in concise terms an action or set of actions. It is generally accepted to be true and universal and can sometimes be expressed in terms of a single mathematical equation.
Wait, and what's a...
Well, you see, a theory is what one or more hypotheses become once they have been verified and accepted to be true. A theory is an explanation of a set of related observations or events based upon proven hypotheses and verified multiple times by detached groups of researchers. Now one more thing, an observation. An observation is either an activity of a living being, such as a human, consisting of the receiving of knowledge from the outside world through the senses, or the recording of data using scientific instruments.
But how does that relate to what we're doing?
Well, you see, we take multiple observations and we form a hypothesis. And let's say we form multiple hypotheses, it would be a theory.
Oh, I see.
It
all
kind of
makes sense now.
It all kind of plays together. Now that you've thoroughly studied the scientific method, let's test your knowledge.
Okay.
Step 1. Define the problem.
Well, the problem is my parents are gone.
Okay, that seems like a decent problem. Step 2. Research.
I could always Facebook stalk my mom.
That sounds good. Let's do it.
Okay. It says here that she eats at the same restaurant based on what day of the week it is. Let's see what restaurants she likes. Ah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Meaning, she has to be at one of these restaurants today.
Now that you've researched your problem, let's hypothesize.
It has to be an if-then format. How about, if my parents are gone, then where are they?
I'm afraid that won't suffice.
Why not?
It doesn't solve the problem.
That's true. Let's just guess and say, if my parents are gone, they're at Red Lobster.
Well, it has to be an educated guess. Can you say that's educated?
They love endless shrimp.
Step 4, an experiment.
You have to design an experiment. I know. My mom labels a pair of shoes for every day of the week. If we analyze the particles present on each of those shoes, we should be able to rule out which restaurants she's not at today.
That sounds like a decent experiment.
I think so.
Let's go.
Well, here's my mom's shoe closet. And there they are, labeled for every day of the week. Let's get these back to the lab. Particles will tell us the true story. Ha-ha. Interesting. Do you see those? Those look like chicken particles. So, this shoe is used when she goes to KFC. I'll have to quantify my data for the other shoes. This tennis shoe has high quantities of Zaz in the sole, so must be for when she goes to TGI Fridays. This slipper has high quantities of horse meat. This must be McDonald's. There appears to be what I think is Alfredo sauce in this shoe. Probably olive oil. And this shoe appears to be grilled on the Barbie. Outback steak. There's mashed anchovies on the bottom of this Sperry. Must be Pizza Hut. So that leaves only one restaurant. Red Lobster. My hypothesis was correct. Well, that's another problem solved with science. Dad?
Billy, what are you doing here? We're staying in a hotel while they're fumigating the house. Let's get out of here before we start hallucinating.
I haven't eaten at Red Lobster since I was a little boy.